Hi, it's me, Lou. Today I decided to make dinner a bit earlier before my doctor's appointment. It's going to be a quick and easy dinner. It's one of my family's favorite. It's Cape Verdean tuna with everything that you see here, and I also make white rice to go with it. The This is the tuna, but I guess you can use any canned tuna that you would like. I get this from Amazon, but any other tuna will do. And then I use chickpeas, an onion, and potatoes with it. And then I make white rice to go along with it. It's a very delicious and quick recipe. If you haven't tried Cape Verdean tuna, give it a try. Let me know what you think. And then I top it off with boiled eggs after it comes out of the oven. I like to bake it for at least 30 minutes after it's all put together. Like I said, this is the way I make it. I know other people make it different, which is good, but this is my recipe and how I like it, and my family likes it. I like to saute it with onions. I just added a little bit of salt and pepper to it. And I like to just boil my chickpeas for a little bit. Um, that's not necessary, but I do also the same thing with the potatoes. Again, none of this step is necessary. You could just open the cans and mix everything up and put it in a baking dish and put it in the oven for a little bit longer, maybe 40 minutes, and it's still delicious. But for some reason I like to do these extra steps that some will consider unnecessary. After, I just like to layer everything together. There is no correct way to do this. The correct way is the way you like it. And then I go back with the tuna and finish it off with the potatoes. I added a little bit of salt to it, and I'm just gonna drizzle some olive oil. And then I will cover it and bake it for about 30 minutes, but you can check it. If the potatoes are hard, you can put it back in for longer. This is a very forgiving recipe. You could basically do whatever you want and season it how you like. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the oven. I just sliced the eggs and put it on top and drizzled a little bit of olive oil.